Haitien dictateur.
America has forgotten Henry Christophe. But Haitians remember. We remember the fields of Savannah in 1779, where 800 brave Haitian souls stood shoulder to shoulder with American patriots in the Siege of Savannah. We fought for your freedom. Our Haitian blood stained the Georgia soil to help birth America. Now, indigenous Haitians face scorn and struggle in the Dominican Republic. We fought for you. Will you fight for us? Give reciprocity to Haiti. As an American, sign the petition at diasporacampe.com. Share this video with an American citizen you know.